So our customer has this gorgeous 57 Chevy. Has a really nice exhaust on it, all stainless, all TIG welded. He likes where the current mufflers are, however, his wife thinks the car is too loud. So instead of doing resonators, we did a second set of MagnaFlo, fiberglass style mufflers, the round case style muffler. And hopefully the car still has some good tone to it and it doesn't kill the sound of the hot rod altogether. The biggest thing is make sure this has a parking brake set up with cables, so I have to make sure that this doesn't interfere with the cables or the bracketry for said cables. So what I'm going to do is cut out the section where I plan on placing these in and make sure we have adequate clearance for the cables, and if not, I'll adjust the brackets and the cables and mock all this stuff up and then take it all up. I want to make sure all my welds look like Christmas and, everything looks like I knew what I was doing. Oh, that looks so f***ing good, dude. The car still has great tone. It quieted it down immensely, but it still sounds like a hot rod. Hopefully his wife will now be happy, but the car sounds great.